Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making this amazing checkerboard design cookies. It's so fun and interesting to make. Let's see how to do it. Into a bowl add some room temperature butter and mix it till it becomes creamy. Add some powdered sugar, some vanilla essence and combine it well. Add some all-purpose flour. Mix it. Mix it well using your hands and make it into a vanilla cookie dough. Now our dough is ready. Keep it aside and let's make the chocolate cookie dough. So take some room temperature butter, mix it and make it creamy. Add some powdered sugar and mix it. Now into the butter and sugar mixture, add all-purpose flour with some cocoa powder. Mix it. Now mix it using your hands and make this into a chocolate cookie dough. Now if you feel your dough is a bit sticky, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes or you can directly go for rolling. Now here I am rolling the vanilla cookie dough. Once it reaches the desired thickness, mark the cookie dough for cutting the strips. Here I am giving 1 centimeter thickness for the strips. Now our vanilla cookie strips are ready. Repeat the same with the chocolate dough. Now let's refrigerate the cookie strips for 30 minutes so that it will become a bit firm and will be easy to work with. Now let's arrange the cookie strips to get the checkerboard design cookies. So here I am alternating the chocolate and vanilla cookie strips and arranging it like this. And I am making a 4x4 checkerboard design. After arranging all the cookie strips like this, let's roll out some excess vanilla cookie dough. We are using this to cover the cookie strips so that you'll get a bit more neat look for the cookies. Finally cover the dough using a cling film and you have to refrigerate this for 30 minutes. So that it will become a bit firm so that we can easily cut out the cookies. Now the checkerboard cookie dough is ready. Let's cut out the cookies. Wow, look at the design, how beautifully it formed. Now carefully place this on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And bake this in 170-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. And then allow it to cool down completely and our checkerboard cookies are ready. It's so fun and unique treat that are perfect for any occasion. You can make these visually stunning cookies and impress your friends and family with your baking skills. So do try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot, watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.